Hello and welcome back. My name is Jeremy, and we're going to finish up the list topic. The last one that I can think of is the definition lists, and personally, I have never used these at all. But I've seen a lot of websites that do. You would use something like this if you are, say, you have a word and then you want to define that word. So this is a little bit different of a structure. It's not too bad though, but so we'll rename this to definition list. Yep, and we're gonna define. Actually, we'll just call this terms, I guess. Whatever. And we don't need any of this crap no more. So bam, you're gone. All right. So, oops. Why did you do that for? Oh no, don't do that. Sorry about that. Let's try this again. Alright, so now we have a new tag, and this is called DL for definition list. Alright, now we're going to have another new tag in here. It's called DT. Now we're not going to use any of the lists anymore, the LIs. We're going to use DT and DD. DT stands for the dictionary term, and DD is the dictionary definition. So, I don't know a term off the top of my head, so I'm going to look one up. So let's say define fun. I don't know, something easy. So we're going to copy that, and I'm going to put that in as my term. That's fun. And then I'm going to use another definition, which should be a DD, dictionary definition. And then I'm going to go back and copy that definition. Fun, enjoyment. There you go, sounds good to me. Yeah, copy. Okay. Again, the only time I've ever actually seen these is if you're actually using something to use something when you're trying to define a particular type of word. So say like you're having a very informational site and there's certain words on there that aren't very common in everyday conversations or in just general knowledge, because you'd be really surprised of what. I'm not saying that the readership is really low. It's just when people visit your websites, they spend a very short amount of time reading it, and if they don't find something within, let's say, 10 seconds, 15 seconds, and they usually leave real quick, or if the words if the words are too cumbersome for them to try to figure out what they actually mean within there. It's always kind of nice to have these little definitions maybe at the bottom of the page. So off of my soapbox now, let's go to back to our page. We'll hit refresh, and as you can see, unlike the ordered list and list items, it doesn't indent the very first item. It indents the actual definition itself. So that's another little difference to it. Like I said, it is kind of nice if you were to have hard words that people just don't know. So this pretty much does it for all the lists that I could think of. I think that is all of them. Next, we'll probably move on to anchor tags. This is where we can start making links and stuff like that. So hope you guys enjoyed these three quick little videos on list items, and see you guys later on. You guys have a good one. Don't forget to subscribe, leave comments, questions, emails, whatever. Check out all the social stuff I'm going to be blasting in my description. All right, have a good one. We'll see ya. Hello and welcome back. My name is Jeremy, and today we're going to be talking about the unordered list. So let's go ahead and let's remove all of this stuff. So delete this and this, and we'll just rename this unordered. 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 That sounds better. Okay, so an unordered list is the opposite of an ordered list. That's why it has the un. Anyways, but you probably see these before. It's going to have the same type of styling that a ordered list has. It's going to be indented, but instead of having numbers, Roman numerals, or letters, it's going to have discs next to the item, circles, squares, and I think that's all you can do with them. So let's go ahead and let's get started. Like I said, I always like to give myself a little category. So items, or well, let's see. I think I like to do. All right. So Unordered list is UL is the tag we're going to be dealing with today. And we're going to revisit the LI, which stands for lists. So, let's see, things I like to do. I definitely like to sleep sometimes. I also like to read sometimes. And, oops, I also like to eat all the time. All right, so we have this, and let's go ahead and we'll jump to our browser and we'll refresh. As you can see, okay, well by default in Chrome it looks like it treats them as circles, which is fine. It's not a big deal. Um, well, we could, like I said, we can have control over this. So we could say type equals square. Oops, if I can spell square. Square. Yeah, it looks right. And refresh. And it might be kind of hard to see. You might have to put it in full screen to see it. But each one of these have now changed into a little square. And let's check out the disk. D-I-S-C. Yeah. And save this. Refresh. Oh no, we already saw the disk. Circle. Circle. Oh, that's right. The disk is solid and the circle is open. I'm sorry, I apologize. Chrome does use disk as the default style. Okay, so that's really about it for the unordered list. You don't have the ability like you do in the order list to change a starting position because there really isn't a position to start at. I appreciate your guys' time. Hope you guys like the video. I hope you guys thumbs up it, subscribe, leave me comments, ask questions. Check out my website. All that good stuff will be down in the description box below. You guys have a good one. We'll see you. Bye. Hi, and welcome back. My name is Jeremy, and today we're going to be talking about lists. And there's different types of lists that we can use. One is the ordered list, the other one is unordered list, and then I believe there's a dictionary or definition. That's one that I think it might be both. A definition in terms. Okay. So, in this quick and dirty video, we're going to be doing the ordered list. And the ordered list is exactly what it sounds like. It's going to make a list and it's going to put it in order for us. So let's go ahead and put a title, my little template, ordered lists. And we'll do H3 just to kind of give like just a little title to it. So we're going to say things we need to buy. Make a little shopping list. Okay, for an order list, we have this new tag as OL, short for ordered list. Let's copy that. Paste it here. First, we'll end it with the closing tag. Let's get some spaces. All right, so I'm gonna indent in a little bit. Then I'm going to use another new tag called list or LI. And here, just like a paragraph tag, we can, or a lot of tags, you can just type in whatever you want to. So I'm going to say we need to buy pop. I'm from Michigan, so we call it pop. Other people call it soda. And some other places all call it Coke, no matter what it is. But anyways, so we get some pop. I'm going to get some chips. And paper towel? Sure, why not? Okay, so we have this. Now by default, it'll put all these in numerical orders, 1, 2, and 3. So we go back to this page, we'll have pop 1, chips 2, paper towel 3. Like I said before, we should always check to make sure that everything is valid. Oops. So I'm going to go upload my file. And it is... There we go. I'll check it. Everything's good. Okay. So, just like the horizontal rule that we talked about last time, this has different attributes. We can use uppercase and lowercase alphabet numbers. We can use Roman numerals, upper and lower as well. So let's take a look at the alphabet one. So we'll do A. So as you probably guess, we'll write A, B, and C here. So we'll go back here, refresh, A, B, and C. And the Roman numeral one, I like these ones myself personally. I like the Roman numerals better than the 1, 2, 3 overall. Another nice thing is they have this other attribute that you can put to it, and it's called start. Oops, didn't mean to hit that. Start, and start allows us to start with a particular number. So let me use just the default numbers. It's a little easier. So we'll start with 5. Now this should go 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. And again, you can do it with the alphabet as well. The reason why you might want to use something like this would be, say, like you have two different lists, but you have something that might break them up in between. You might say, things to buy and things I want to buy. You can just have a nice long running list of it's all in order. Well, that's it for the order list. Next coming up is the unordered list. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out my website. I'll put all that good stuff down in the descriptions. All right, you guys have a good one. See ya.